In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Hello Bonsai. So I'll go over all of its features, which you can see right here. So it's stuff like CRM, time tracking, client portals, invoices, expenses, payments, and much more. And I'll go over all of it in this video. So to get started, you can click on the link down in the description if you haven't created your account yet, and then just click on Get Started right there. Then you can create your free account with Google or just enter your details right there. Then they will ask a few questions. So what kind of work does your business do? For example, I'll say event planning. Then what is your business called? And where is your business based? Then what type of business do you have? How many employees work in your business? And does your business work with subcontractors? Which currency do you bill your clients in? What is your estimated yearly revenue? And then here you can go and invite your team members or just click on next. Then how can Bonsai help your business? So you can just select them, and you can also select multiple if you want. And then click on finish. So then it's going to take you to your dashboard where you then have these 5 steps. I recommend just going through these and just starting with adding your company details. So that's stuff like your logo, branding, and more. So just click add details. Then here you already have entered your name. Then you can also add your address and then upload your logo. And then click on next step. Now you can invite your team, I'll skip that one, and you can create a project. So from here you can then just choose which client is for. Now they have a sample client, so I'll just use that one, but if you want to create one, just click new right there. Then you can give a project title, you can also give it the name of the client, and you can choose the billing type. So that will be used to track the revenue or cost of your event. So time and materials, fixed fee, retainer, or non-billable. Also time and materials, and you can choose to track the budget or not. I will track it and then click continue. Then here you can choose the budget amount, so how much do you actually want to spend. Then you can choose the start date and an end date if there is one, and budget resets, so every week, month, quarter, or not at all, and then just click create project. So now you have this project. Now here you can just really easily start using this as your project management and to keep track of your expenses and invoices. So first you can create tasks right here, or you can create them from a template. Now for now, I'll just click create a new task, and then right here you can write a task and add a description, add any files and subtasks, and most importantly, if you have invited your team members, you can assign it to that person. And there are some more settings here, such as the priority, the dates, frequency, the estimate of how much time it will cost, then whether or not you want to track the time, if it's billable, and what kind of service, dependencies, and tags, and then you will have added that as a task. Now what I really like about this project management compared to other tools such as Asana, for example, is this section in the right where you have your invoices and expenses. So you can just click plus and then choose what you want to upload, so a single, recurring, subscription, or bundled invoice. I'll do single, and then you can click create invoice. And then you can really easily create an invoice that you can actually send to someone as well. And then you need to enable online payments right here to actually use it. But then it will also automatically be tracked into your project right here, and it will be shown as an invoice. And you can do the same with the expenses, so you can upload an expense right here. And you can also add the images or receipts to really easily keep track of your bookkeeping. And down here you can also see your time tracking. Now when you go back to your dashboard right here, you can then continue with the next section, which is a time entry. So log your first time entry on a task or project, and then view your time entry in your time sheets. So if you click add time entry, you can then choose how long it was for example 2 hours. And then you can choose a project, a task you were working on, and any notes, and then the billable rate. And you will see if I now add this, so click add time. If I now go to my projects and then click on the sample project, in the bottom right you will now see the time tracking has been set to 2 hours. Now here in the client management section there's quite a lot of things you can do. So one of the features that I like quite a lot about Bonsai is the client portal. So here in client portal you can actually set up your client portal, and you already have your link right here, so you can just see what it looks like. Now for me, it just signs me in, but they will be able to log in right here, and basically they see the change log that has happened. And then you can enable portal access for your clients. You can remove the Bonsai branding, but for this you will need to upgrade to one of their more premium plans, and you can turn on or off client messaging. Then in the services section, you can add in all your services so that you can quickly create new proposals and invoices. And right here, you can actually see those. So you have your proposals right here. So you can really easily create and send a proposal. And then you also have contracts, and they have templates for contracts as well. So if I click create a contract, you can see their suggested templates here. Then you also have forms and scheduling. So if you have a business that uses meetings or scheduling, then this can be very good as well to set up. Now, one thing that I do really recommend is going to financial management right here. Then in the invoices section, first of all, you can create new invoices if you want. And you can also choose which payment methods you want to enable. So then you can connect to Stripe and PayPal right there. And in income right here, you can also create your income, and expenses can be set up right here. And you can even connect your bank account so that you can really easily see all your expenses. And then in bookkeeping, you can just keep track of your profit, expenses, income, and all of that. Now you can also sync Bonsai to your QuickBooks account, so you can just click on connect account right there. Now if you click on your initials or logo in the bottom left, and then here go to settings, then from here, if you click on team, you can go and invite any team members you want. And in the integration section, you will find all of their integrations. And from here, you can also integrate with those integrations such as QuickBooks, ClickUp, HubSpot, or Zapier, or any of these other ones. Now, another pretty cool feature is the automations that you will find here in the bottom left. So if you want to set up a workflow or automation, you can click on that and then click new automation. And then here you can set the trigger and automatic action. So when a contract is signed, or when a proposal is accepted, or any of these other ones, for example, when the first invoice in a project is paid, then do this. So schedule an event, schedule a meeting via Calendly, send a form or send a message, and then you can write the message that you want to send, and then click save automation, and then that automation will take place whenever that trigger is triggered. And in the report section right above the automations, you can see reports on activity, project profitability, utilization, and much more. For example, if I go to activity, you can see who has been working and how much of it is billable, how much it costs, and all of that right here. Now, when you create an invoice, as it said earlier, you need to enable online payments. Now, if you just click on it right here, it says that you are not authorized, but what you want to do instead is also in the invoice section, in the bottom right, under payment methods, you can click enable online payments, and then again, you can connect Stripe or PayPal, or preferably even both. So just click connect, and then right here, enter the code sent to your email, and just sign into your Stripe or PayPal account. Now, by signing up through the link in the description, you can get a 7-day free trial, and you can see if you click upgrade now that automatically you get the trial in the elite plan, which means that right now you have access to all features, so advanced integrations, timesheet locking, resource management, and much more. But if you want to downgrade, you can just click on those plans as well, and then click choose whatever plan you want. Then here just enter your details and subscribe yearly or monthly. So now you know how to use Hello Bonsai. If this Hello Bonsai tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you have not yet created your Bonsai account, you can do so through the link down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.